Good morning to all my dear students and welcome to Zoology online class. Previously, I had completed the reproductive system and the developmental biology of the man, then the reproductive health. So, let me start the new chapter, that is the genetics. That is the genetics. Genetics is a new branch of science. It is a new branch of science which is about only 120 years old, or which has started, that is about 120 years ago. Clear? So, what is the meaning of genetics? First of all, we will discuss what is the meaning of genetics. Genetics is a branch of science which deals with the study of heredity and variation. Two things. That is, genetics is the study of heredity and the variation. The genetic is a branch of science which deals with the study of heredity and variation. You first come to the heredity. What is the meaning of heredity? Clear? And then what is the meaning of variation? We know that, like there is a proverb, like begets like, or like produces like. हाथीटे हाथी छुआ दब, मनीष मनीष छुआ दब, तो मनीष बाघ छुआ दबनी. सो व्हाई? क्लियर? सेथिपाई दैट इज आमे देखिचे जे सम चाइल्ड और सम चिल्ड्रेन आर मोर और लेस सिमिलर टू देयर पेरेंट्स, similar to their parents, and in this way all the children of a family are more or less similar to each other in certain character. Clear? तेणु आमे गोटे लोक को देखिले कहू, ए तू अमुकईर भाई ना, तू अमुकई पुओ बोधे, तो बापा भाया तो मुँह देखा, तो माँ भाया तो मुँह देखा. So like that, and that is called as the heredity. That is due to the heredity. That is due to the heredity. किंतु से छुआ गुड़ाक they are not purely similar with their parents. और जिते छुआ सब अच्छा से समस्ते आइडेंटिकल नुहंती बा समस्ते समान नुहंती, and that is due to the variation. That is due to the variation. समस्ते समान नुहंती, पार्थक्य आ एटा होची. सो हेरिडिटी माने कोन ना, दी स्टडी ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम पेरेंट टू ऑफस्प्रिंग, parent to child or parent to offspring is called as the heredity. That is the study of transmission of character from generation to generation or from parent to offspring is called as the heredity. I have told you, heredity माने किसी कैरेक्टर ता पेरेंट पाखरु ता छुआ को जाउछि, सेथि पाई से छुआटा ता बापा भलिया देखा होछि, बा किछि छुआ माने तांको फैमिली भितरे समस्त एका प्रकार देखा होछि, किछि किछि सिमिलारिटी अछि, जना पडुछि ये तार भाई के तार सेही. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द हेरिडिटी. द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम generation to generation, that study is called as the heredity. Then variation हूँ पार्थक्य। तेणु से छुआ जो होती गोटे बापा माँ चार्टा छुआ किछि किछि सिमिलारिटी अच्छी जना पड़ी तार भाई तार किंतु समान नुहे प्योरली से समान नुहे दैट इज द वेरिएशन दैट इज सेटा कहीं ना ड्यू टू द वेरिएशन क्लियर वेरिएशन मीन्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ ए स्पेसीज the difference between two individual of a species is called as the variation एटू आमे कौन बुझिले या माने किछि कैरेक्टर समान होउची आ किछि कैरेक्टर अलगा होउची ताकू आमे अवश्य बही रे एटा लेखा नाही आमे कहि परिबा कोन कहि परिबा ना दी स्टडी ऑफ mechanisms of the transmission of a gene is called as the genetics एटा मु कहूची दैट इज द स्टडी ऑफ द मेकानिजम्स ऑफ द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द जीन्स इज कॉल्ड एज द जेनेटिक्स एटा को बही रे लेखा नाही बही रे सब रे लेखा हिची द स्टडी ऑफ दैट इज द हेरिडिटी एंड वेरिएशन इज कॉल्ड एज द जेनेटिक्स सो व्हाट इज द मेकानिजम व्हाई द इंडिविजुअल इज सिमिलर व्हाई ए सन इज सिमिलर विथ हिज फादर इन सर्टेन कैरेक्टर but he is not exactly equal with his father. That is the variation and similarity is called as the heredity. So all the characters are coming from his father and mother to a child or to a offspring. But why some are remaining same and why some are different? So that mechanism. So the mechanisms of transmission of the characters or the gene from generation to generation is the study of the mechanisms of transmission of genes from generation to generation is called as genetics clear but you have to remember that genetics is the study of heredity and variation clear then after you come to that is the father of genetics the Mendel is the father of genetics the Mendel is called as the father of genetics Gregor Johann Mendel the Gregor Johann Mendel is called as the father of genetics the father of genetics Gregor Johann Mendel Gregor Johann Mendel Gregor Johann Mendel is the father of genetics clear Gregor Johann Mendel is called as the father of genetics because at first he formulated certain laws or principles at first Gregor Johann Mendel formulated certain laws or principle regarding the transmission of character clear and these principles are called as these principles are called as Mendel's law of inheritance or Mendel's laws of inheritance Mendel's laws of inheritance or Mendel's laws of heredity clear at the first time Gregor Johann Mendel formulated some principle or the laws regarding the heredity or the transmission of character from generation to generation and these principles are called as the laws of or Mendel's that is called as the Mendel's laws of inheritance or Mendel's law of heredity the study of Mendel's law is called as the Mendelism the study of Mendel's law is called as the Mendelism the study of Mendel's law is called as the Mendelism And the Mendel is called as the father of genetics. The Mendel is called as the father of genetics. Why? Nowadays, the genetics has reached at the molecular level. The genetics has reached in the molecular level. That is the genetic engineering. That is the fingerprint. That is the fingerprint, genetic fingerprint, like that. So genetic has reached at the molecular level, but without the reading of the Mendel's principle, it is very difficult to proceed to that level. So the Mendel's principle behaves as the basic fundamental fact or ideas regarding the genetics. The Mendel's principle or the laws behaves as the basic fundamental principle of the genetics. Without the knowledge of that is the Mendel's principle, no one can proceed to that region or to the genetic level, or that is the genetic engineering level or the molecular level. So as this behaves as a basic fundamental principle, these are called as, so for that reason Mendel is called as the father of genetics. As the Mendel's principle behaves as the basic idea or basic fact of the genetics, he is called as the father of genetics. Father of genetics. Clear? Then, so let me say something about the Mendel's life. Mendel was born in a very poor family. That is in the Austria, in the country Austria. Mendel was born in a poor family in Austria. And that is the new name of the Austria is called as the Czechoslovakia. Czechoslovakia. He was very poor. And from his childhood, he was very much interested for the plants. Because his father was a gardener. Due to that is the lifespan of the Mendel was 1822 to 1884. That is, he was born in 1822 and died in 1884. Clear? Due to his poverty, he entered in a monastery. Monastery means matha or panthasaala. He entered in a monastery or monastery for his poverty. Thereafter, he selected to study the science and entered into the university of, that is entered in the monastery at Brunn. Monastery of Brunn. Then after he selected and entered into the University of Vienna. That is the University of Vienna for the study of science. Then after, but he was unsuccessful. But he was, failed in the degree. So anyway, then he became a science teacher in a school and taught the science about 14 years. At that time, he started his classical work, that is on the pea plant. His classical work on the pea plant, whose scientific name was Pisum sativum. Clear? Then after, he worked about 8 years. That is, he started his classical work in 1857. Clear? And that is, he submitted his thesis on the, that is the Natural History Society of, that is the Natural History Society of Bonn. That is the Natural History Society of Bonn in the year of 1866. He, that is, submitted his thesis, that is after 8 years, that is, and he prepared the thesis paper and submitted before the Natural History Society of the Bonn. That is, a group of scientists was there, and the Bonn, that is in 1866. Setabale, that is the scientist or the scientist group, that is, did not understand, that is the work of the Mendel, and they did not give any importance to the Mendel's thesis or the Mendel's work, as because at that times the scientists were busy in the Darwin's evolution work. That is, they were concentrated towards or in the Darwin's evolution work. Then they have not sound knowledge about the cytogenetics. Clear? Then the papers or the thesis, the papers of the thesis of the Mendel was published in very low grade of the journals. Actually, ଯେତେବେଳେ थेसिस पेपर सबमिट हुए सेତେବେଳେ कौन हुए ना जर्नाल रे 2टा कि 3टा पेपर पब्लिश करिया पई पड़े. आजिकल से नियमटा अच्छी सेतेବେଳେ भी थिला. तेणु जदि सेगुड़ाक भल पेपर माने दामी दामी जर्नाल रे सेगुड़ा पब्लिश होइतिबो सेथिरे साइंटिफिक बोर्ड थांती सेमान ताको परीक्षा निरीक्षा करिकि पब्लिश करंती ताले सेठी अन्य माने जानिबे जे एटा इट हैज बीन प्रूव्ड बाय ए ग्रुप ऑफ साइंटिस्ट्स. किंतु एडाक तांकर बहुत लो ग्रेड रो जर्नाल रे ऑब्स्क्यूर, दैट इज द जर्नाल रे एडा कोन हेतला ना पब्लिश हेतला. सेठी पई द साइंटिस्ट वेर नॉट, that is the interested to his thesis. Clear? There are 3 reasons. That is, the papers of the thesis was published in very low grade of journals. Secondly, the scientists were busy about the Darwin's work. And thirdly, they have no sound knowledge about the cytogenetical, or that is the hereditary, or there is no idea about the heredity. Clear? In this way, he died in 1884. He died, he submitted the thesis in 1866. After that, that is, he died on 1884. But in 1900, that is in the 1900, 3 other scientists, they are called as that is these 3 scientists, that is called as the De Vries, Correns and Thesmark. 3 scientists separately submitted the same, that is the type of thesis paper before the, that is the Natural History Society of Bonn. At that times, that is the Mendel's work was reopened. At that times, the Mendel's work was reopened, and he was awarded. He was awarded as the father of science. Clear? But the Mendel was unfortunate scientist. The Mendel was unfortunate scientist who got the honor after his death. After his death, से दुर्भाग्य तांकर थिला जे सांकर जीवन काल भितरे से ऑनर पाइले नहीं, जे फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स बोली जो तांको रिवार्डटा दिया गला सेटा से उपलब्धि करि बा सेटा से जानि पारले नहीं. आफ्टर हिज डेथ ही गॉट द ऑनर, दैट इज अनफॉर्चुनेट साइंटिस्ट गॉट हिज ऑनर आफ्टर हिज डेथ. क्लियर? So this is all about, in brief, this is all about that is the life of the Mendel. Clear? Then he selected the pea plant for his, that is the experiment. And the pea plant is the Pisum sativum. Why he selected the pea plant for his experiment? Or why he took the pea plant as the experimental tool, So it has certain reason. The first one, it has, that is, a number of sharp, contrasting, clear, that is contrasting character. It has a number of, or that is the pea plant has a number of, that is the contrasting character, sharp, that is contrasting character. ता माने बहुत गुड़िए opposite character, contrasting माने opposite character यार थिला. कौन character कौन? Suppose the height of the plant, height of the plant, सेटा कौन ना किए थिला डेंगा आउ किए थिला बांगरा, dwarf. सेमती flower, color of the flower किए red थिला किए white थिला. There are so many, these are called as the contrasting character or alternating character. It has so many alternating or contrasting character. Clear? For that reason, that is the Mendel, that is, it was the first point of the selecting of the pea plant as his experimental tool, number one. Number two, it is an annual plant. Annual means Varsikya. It is an annual plant with, that is, a short life cycle. That is, it is an annual plant with, that is, having short life cycle. Short life cycle means, that is, annual plant and a short life cycle. माने अल्प दिन भीतर तार लाइफ साइकिल ता सरी जाउथबो हला बा तार जीवन चक्रटा कंप्लीट होउथबो. So a number of, that is the experiment can be done within a short period. तेणु आम मेंडल कौन करें ना गुड़ाए एक्सपेरिमेंट करें अल्प दिन भितर गुड़ाए एक्सपेरिमेंट करें. सेकेंड पॉइंट, इट इज एन एनुअल प्लांट एंड हैविंग द शॉर्ट लाइफ साइकिल. सो ए नंबर ऑफ जनरेशन और नंबर ऑफ जनरेशन कैन बी डन विद इन ए शॉर्ट पीरियड. नंबर 3, क्लियर? It is a self-pollinated plant. It is a self-pollinated plant. That is, we know, you know, that is the Papilionaceae family having vexillary extivation. Vexillary extivation empty. That is that is the wing. That is vexillum, and this is the wheel. That is wheel, and this is the kill. So गोटे अपराजिता फूल देखि किंबा शिंब फूल मटर फूल तार से भाया एमती अपराजिता फूलटा थी ये तार थी है यार भितर एंड्रोसियम गाइनोसियम थी. यार भितर कौन थी ना एंड्रोसियम डाइएडल्फस कंडीशन ये 9टा एंड्रोसियम आउ एटी गुटे एंड्रोसियम आउ एटी गुटे गाइनोसियम. क्लियर? सो इट इज ए बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. आउ एटा केबे खुले नाही, तार पेटाल गुड़ाक खुले नाही. मंदार फूल टगर फूल जमी पूरा खुली जाऊँगी, ये फूल पूरा खुले नहीं, खाली तार ऊपर मुंडटा भैक्सिलमटा खुले आउ एटा पूरा कभर होकर रही था क्या भितर ना विंग आउ किल भितर. आउ ये जो 4टा रहिला पेटाल ताकू क्लोज करके रखी थाए. क्लियर? तेणु जो मैच्योर हुए यार एंड्रोसियम पोलेन ग्रेन गुड़ाक यार गाइनेसियम उपरे पड़े, स्टिग्मा उपरे गाइनेसियम. सो इट इज ए सेल्फ पोलिनेटेड प्लांट. तेणु से गचर पराणु से गचर स्टिग्मा उपरे पड़ो. तेणु सेटा सेल्फ पोलिनेटेड प्लांट. तेणु जो सेल्फ पोलिनेटेड प्लांट है, इट इज ए सेल्फ पोलिनेटेड प्लांट बट द क्रॉस पोलिनेशन कैन बी डन इजिली. किंतु क्रॉस पोलिनेशन एटा भी करहब. क्रॉस पोलिनेशन माने अन्य गोटे फूलर अन्य गोटे गचर फूलर पराग रेणु आणिक आउ गोटे गचर फूलर स्टिग्मा उपरे पकई दे कि फर्टिलाइज कराइबा एलाउ करा जीवो. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द क्रॉस पोलिनेशन. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द क्रॉस पोलिनेशन. क्लियर? इट इज ए सेल्फ पोलिनेटेड प्लांट बट द क्रॉस पोलिनेशन कैन बी डन वेरी इजीली. देन आफ्टर यू कम टू द फोर्थ वन. क्लियर? Since it is a self-pollinated plant, so the pure variety is possible. Pure variety is possible. Clear? जेहेतु गोटे मन कर गोटे डेंगा गछर परागरेणु जदि डेंगा गछर स्टिग्मा उपरे पड़े ता छुआ गुड़िक सब डेंगा हेबे बा तार जो जते पछर जो छुआ मंजी गुड़ाक जाइए आम पकेबा ताने सब गुड़ाक डेंगा हेबे सेमिति बांगरा गछर जिते होउथबो ताने बांगरा गछर बांगरा छुआ सब हेबे बा बांगरा छोट गछ सब तार जते परवर्ती पीढ़ी सब बांगरा हेबे तेणु ये डेंगा और बांगरा भितर मिसिबार चांस आदौ नाही क्लियर so that is the since it is a self pollinated plant so the pure varieties are available hala pure variety are available for these 4 points that is Mendel has taken Mendel has selected that is the pea plant as his experimental tool or experimental material. Clear? In his experiment, he found generally 7 contrasting characters. He found 7 contrasting characters from his, that is the pea plant. That is one. That is first one is plant height. Gachara, this is the characters. And this is the contrasting character. These are the contrasting characters. So that is the height of the plant. That is he found some are tall and some are dwarf. Kichi denga, kichi bangra. And in second one, that is the color of the flower. That is the color of flower. That is some are red and some are white. Then in the third, the position of the flower. That is some are axial and some are terminal. Are you understanding axial and terminal? Axial होची गछर एटा पत्र ए जो कोणटा कहते एक्सिस तेणु एटी जदि फूलटा फुटिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द एक्सियल जदि गछर अगरे फूलटा फुटिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द टर्मिनल एटा पत्र तेणु ए जो कोणटा कहते एक्सिल ए कोणटार जदि फूल गोटे हुए दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द एक्सियल जदि अगरे होबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द टर्मिनल दैट इज पोजिशन ऑफ अ फ्लावर देन द थर्ड वन फोर्थ वन that is shape that is the color of the pod the shape of the pod माने टोटल मोटर टा हला एमती टोटल दिस इज द मोटर एडा हला तार मंजी बट दिस इज द टोटल टा होची pod that is shape of the pod that is constricted ताने गोल constricted and inflated चेप्टा गोल आउ गोटे थी चेप्टा देन कलर ऑफ द pod नंबर 5 द कलर ऑफ द pod that is yellow and green. Then 6 that is the shape of the seed that is the rounded and wrinkled राउंडेड माने गोल रिंकल्ड माने एमती कुंचा हेथिबो मटर खाइथिबो जेउडा दांतर कामुड़ ने भी भांगीबनी काडू नाके सेगुडा हला रिंकल्ड है नंबर 7 दैट इज द कलर ऑफ सीड्स, कलर ऑफ सीड्स और कलर ऑफ कटिलिडन्स ऑफ सीड्स, कलर ऑफ कटिलिडन ऑफ सीड्स। कटिलिडन बुझीपार धर ये मटरटा ये मटर दीटा साइड हूँ दिस आर द कटिलिडन्स। सो दिस टू आर कटिलिडन जो खाद्य स्टोर होती थाए दैट इज दे आर आइदर येलो और एंड दैट इज द ग्रीन। एमती 7टा कंट्रास्टिंग बा अल्टरनेट कैरेक्टर मेंडल पी प्लांट रे देखी थे। सो दीज आर दी कैरेक्टर्स एंड दीज आर दी कंट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर। फर्स्ट द प्लांट हाइट, सेकंड द फ्लावर कलर, थर्ड द पोजीशन ऑफ द फ्लावर एंड फोर्थ शेप ऑफ द pod that is color of the pod and shape of the seed and the color of the cotyledon of the seed, that is the seed. So these are the that is the 8 common characters Mendel found. Clear?